Learn English with Titanic movie. Dive into tenses with Titanic. Present continuous tense. With timeline. Present continuous tense. Timeline. The present continuous tense is used for action happening and continuing at this very moment. For a clearer understanding, pause the video and look at the timeline below. Titanic examples. Imagine you are watching it happen live. Look. The water is rushing into the ship now. Happening right here, right now. Rose is running to find Jack at this moment. She is doing it now. The band is playing music on the deck. They are playing continuously right now. People are trying to get on the lifeboats. They are doing it at this moment. Old Rose is telling her story about the necklace. She is speaking right now. Like, comment and subscribe.